Hey, it's Chas from Wildflower Wigs, and this is Deep Waver 16 by Shake and Go. Let's take a look at Deep Waver 16 stock card together. Here we are. I got her in the color Natural Dark, but she also comes in Natural and A71226. She is a 100% human haired wig with a 5-inch center part with a wider and more natural lace front, but we'll get to that. She was pre-plucked and her lengths did vary before this haircut. From part line to ends in the back was 21, in the side was 16, ear tab to ends was 11, nape to ends was 11, and there's layering in there that you can see right now, and this is 10. Now, let's get to the ranting of this video. I did have an unboxing, thank goodness, that I had posted before with her length intact. And right out of the box, I was very disappointed, but still hopeful because this is the finest unit I have ever gotten and the smallest cap construction. So she is the typical 2 combs in the sides and 1 by the nape with adjustable straps. But I have no idea whose head this would actually be able to fit. I have a 21.5-inch head circumference and it is itty bitty on me. So I will show, this is where the cap ends. This is all of my hair. That's it. Look at that. Doesn't even come, and it's very fine, which would have been great. Lace, very soft, but whose head is that tiny? Look at all that. All my hair, wig. This is the smallest cap I've ever had. The part line, which I will be showing, for whatever reason, it is not any wider or better than any of the other wigs that is the T lace with a full lace front, T parting. It is not wider. So I don't know what Shake and Go is thinking over that. Then, why I had to cut her. This is the finest wig I've ever had. These sides still, she came very mullety, and I cut up this back to try to make it into a bob to see if I could make her thicker. I was not able to. So this is, I tried different styling products, different curl, then more curl product, less. I did crimper irons, curling irons, and this just, I couldn't make it thicker looking than it is. You can see through to the tracks. It doesn't even have enough hair to cover up these tracks. You can see from the part line into the tracks. There is just not enough hair on this wig. I love the curl pattern. That's about all I can say. This wig has been the worst purchase I have ever made to date with my wigs. I got it off of Sam's Beauty for $98. And man, is that a ripoff, because this is the worst wig I've ever purchased. Such a waste of money. I cannot believe it. So that is my ranting and raving review. I hope you enjoyed, and stay away from this wig. Thank you so much for watching.